Good morning, students. Now we continue our lesson 5, unit 5 from activity 7. Here, activity 7, activity 8, activity 9, and activity 10. These all activities you write your own words, okay? Here, only a general knowledge type activities. So, here, activity 7, form groups and read the following question. Discuss the main ideas of the questions with your group and one of you present the ideas with your class. Here are some quotes for food. Man is what he eats. To eat is a necessity, but to eat intelligently is an art. Early to bed and early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy, and wise. When wealth is lost, nothing is lost. When health is lost, something is lost. When character is lost, everything is lost. Make a slogan on health with your partner on a chart paper. Okay, so here you explain your own ideas, okay, your own views. Here, activity 8, method of cooking: boiling, frying, deep frying, roasting, shooting, pan frying, baking. Okay, so here boiling: to heat liquids until bubbles form on the surface and then to keep it at that temperature. During the cooking process, boiling potatoes, eggs, etc. Frying or deep frying. Deep frying is a cooking method where the food is cooked in hot oil at temperature between 3 to 5 Celsius Fahrenheit and 400 Fahrenheit. Example: frying, puris and samosas. Roasting. Roasting is a method that uses dry heat or on open fire or an oven. Example: papad, groundnuts, etc. Shooting, pan frying. Shooting required a very hot pan with very little oil and he food it shooted for 2 to 5 minutes only. Chinese vegetables. Baking. Baking is a food cooking method that uses prolonged dry heat in an oven but also in hot ashes or on hot stones. The most common baked item is bread and cake. Here some question. Which methods of cooking does your mother use to prepare the food? Here you write your own answer, okay? Which method should she use more and why? Can you suggest her another method of cooking cutlets without deep frying so that the cutlets can be more balanced? What food items can your mother substitute for puris and parathas to make your meals more balanced? Why? Okay. Here, cooking is an art using different methods. Here are some methods. Complete the following columns as given in the example. So here you write your own views. Okay. Here activity 9. The followings are compound words related to food. Use them in your sentence and find few new compound words related to food and also use them in your own sentence. Food chain. A food chain web is a linear consequence of links in a food web starting from a species that it's no other species in the web and ends at a species that is eaten by no other species in the web. Food poisoning. Food poisoning is when someone gets sick from eating food or drink that has gone bad or is contaminated. There are two kinds of food poisoning: poisoning by toxic agent or by infectious agent. Food infection is when the food contains bacteria or the microbes. Sometimes you have a stomach ache, then it is a food poisoning. Food value. The food value of a particular food is measured of how good it for you based on its level of vitamins, minerals or calories. Food processor, an electric domestic appliance designed to speed the preparation and mixing of ingredients by automatic chopping, grating, blending, etc. Food group. A food group is a collection of food that share similar nutrition properties or biological classification. Here activity 10. Glossary. Read the following glossary and sample sentence, understand the meaning and write a meaningful sentence of your own or each word. Calorie. A unit of energy often used as a measurement of the amount of energy that food provides. Example, a medium-sized apple has 50 calories. Sentence, to lose weight, one needs to eat fewer calories. Ingredients. The variety of components used in the preparation of a dish. The ingredients for cake are flour, eggs and butter, etc. Sentence, when my mother wants to cook something new, she buys special ingredients according to the recipe. Diet food, a special food prescribed for weight control to or specific food advised by the doctor during certain sickness. Sugar free food, low fat food. Low fat food means not fried food. Sentence, my friend was suffering from jaundice, so he was put on a specific diet food. Dietary fiber. Fibrous substances in fruits and vegetables such as spinach, oranges and nuts. My grandfather eats some nuts and fruits daily to get daily dietary fiber. Recipe. The complete process or preparing dish together with its accurate proportions. Sentence, my mother watches cooking show on TV to learn new recipe. So here it is for only your knowledge, for your knowledge. So here 7 to 10 activities only for your general knowledge. Okay, so here our lesson is completed. In next Monday we will send you some PDF for question answer or objectives. Okay, so thank you students.